Cardano continues on with the broadening wedge pattern along with quite a bit of the rest of the market, honestly. Now, we were rejected at 42 cents, but where are we heading next? Before we dive in and find out, I have a few announcements for you. First up, we have a new Wisdom Wednesday episode that just came out last night, and following that, we had 2 trade wins, 4% each for 8% profit total within 24 hours. These trades are available to our members, so be sure to join the Trade Confident Telegram to catch the next trades. Last but not least is the Inner Circle Hangout today. This is likely happening just about as this video comes out, so if you are a member, be sure to click the link again in this Telegram link, and if you're not, I'll show you how to join the membership so you can join us today. With that, let's dive into the analysis. Jumping straight into the Cardano metrics here, scrolling down to the Cardano Emotional Index, we see that Cardano has fallen into neutral territory. Now, essentially, this just means that we can likely expect some sideways movement for Cardano for the time being, but we will need to watch where this goes as it gives us a great window into the mind of crypto traders. Next up is the Cardano long versus short trades chart, and we can see here over the past week or so, long trades have slightly moved up over short trades, and overall, long trades are higher than short trades, so once we hit that ball market, we can be sure that we're seeing moves up. On the Cardano volatility breakout detector, we are seeing an extremely low volatility reading for Cardano, and this comes after a period of basically sideways movement, so I don't think that's much surprise. However, after low volatility does come high volatility, and with that comes volatile price movement. Next up is the major support and resistance level, and you can see that we rejected structure resistance right about here at 41.37 cents, and since then have continued moving downwards. The next closest structure support is back here at about 33 cents or 32.9 cents, but there are some other structure supports that we need to be paying attention to right about here that I'll get into more detail about on the live charts. Last but not least is the daily trade scanner. After a beautiful sell signal that saw a move to the downside, we are just waiting now on a buy or strong buy signal to pop right about here in anticipation of the next move up. Now, if you want to get access to all of these crypto metrics and more, including the trade setups that you saw in our Telegram channel, we have a win rate of 2 wins, 0 losses, and that is literally just the very beginning. On top of that, if you want to join us for the Inner Circle Hangout, you're going to want to grab a membership. You can do that at the link in the description below. Just scroll down, hit show more, and it's going to be the very first link right here. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page, and I highly recommend the full access for $59 a month, as it gets you access to all 20 coins worth of metrics, access to the Zoom coaching every month happening again today at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, members only content right here, as well as access to the scalping trade calls that helped our members make 8% in the last 24 hours. If you want to grab access, just click subscribe now, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, on to the live charts. Right now I'm looking at Cardano on the 1-day time frame here, and I'm seeing that the price versus well money flow is low on its chart, although not as low as I'd like it to be. Typically, we like to see a reading of about 30, somewhere in that range before any moves up really start to happen. With that, the trend exhaustion is also low on its chart, having breached the innermost lower red section of its chart. This all comes after rejection around the 42.19 cent mark on that structure resistance, along with that sell signal that we saw on the daily trade scanner. As the price falls, it will quickly approach this right here, the structure support on this broadening wedge pattern. At that point, the price versus well money flow will likely have moved much farther down on its chart. Trend exhaustion will be lower, and at that point, we will be looking for either a buy or a strong buy signal like we see right here, right around that mark. And if we see all 3 of these in combination, that's when we're super likely to see the next move up in crypto. As it moves up, the first target I'm going to be looking at is right here at 42.19 cents to meet that structure resistance again and retest it. If it does break above this, we will have to reevaluate, and it wouldn't be terribly shocking to see structure resistance be hit around 47.38 cents, and I think that would combine well with the upper resistance on this broadening wedge pattern yet again. However, this is a very big move up, so it will be a lot harder to do that without the support of both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and in that vein from the S&P 500 right here. And on the S&P 500, essentially all we need to see to make that happen is for us to continue upwards from this crucial point in the market. If we move upwards, I think that's going to be very bullish for the crypto market. However, if we break below this, it's going to tank. And if the crypto market does tank, I think the first place we need to be looking at is structure support right at 32 cents, as we saw on the support and resistance chart as well. However, overall, I think it's much more likely, and what I want our traders to be looking at, is bouncing off of the structure support right here and moving straight back up to 42.19 cents. Now, if you want to get access to the TC top and bottom finder, price versus vol money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators that we have used to help optimize our trading decisions and make the best profit we can, I highly recommend checking them out. Again, at the links in the description. If you scroll down here, the indicators will be the second link right here. And what you're going to want to do is just click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page. And this is where you're going to find the TC top and bottom finder and the bundle pack. Now, the cheapest option to get all the indicators you saw me use in this video is to purchase the bundle pack first. And this will include the trend exhaustion and price versus vol money flow, as well as 7 other indicators for you to use. But it'll also include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder here, and buying all of Trade Confidence indicators using that coupon is actually going to be cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment with full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, feel free to email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.